Hey guys, so I'm well aware this is like the most flattering angle. Today I figured I would just do a day in my life. I don't know if I've ever actually done one here on this channel, but I figured I would do it. By the time you guys are seeing this, it's a week later. As of today, it is Friday the 13th, and of course the day I picked to daily vlog, everything bad that could go wrong has. So right now I'm just now leaving campus and I'm going to work. I got my Starbucks. I got a venti iced caramel macchiato with extra caramel. It's what I always get. Thankfully we have one on campus. I did a few clips this morning without any talking and figured that right now would be a perfect time to go over those clips. So early this morning, probably between 9 and 10, I was at school in the library working on work. I was working on some pharmacology notes and my phone fell off the table and this is what happened. As you guys can see, it's pretty cracked. So that was a great way to start off my Friday the 13th. That's basically a little recap of my morning. Also, I showed you guys my disastrous bag that is on my shoulders right now. For those of you who are wondering, it's from LLB and I love it. However, since it is somewhat of a bigger bag, it always gets chock full of stuff. So as you guys can see in this clip, I'm just like, why? Why do I have so much crap in here? So I'm now home and I'm sure you guys can tell, but this foot is really swollen in comparison to this one because I'm pretty sure I got bit by something right here. I don't know if you can see that line, but right there, it's just really swollen and super duper itchy. So I'm not sure. And then there's like 2 welts and stuff. So I'm not sure if I got bit by something or what. But it is super duper itchy and it's really warm and swollen. If you guys get squeamish by anything, I wouldn't watch this next clip, but I have some pretty massive blisters because I made the mistake of wearing Sperry's and then walking to work. So fast forward a few seconds if you don't want to see those, but I'm going to go ahead and show you. So this is the current state of my blisters. Right here, it's huge and you can see it's all fluid filled. This one isn't as bad and my heel is just really red. And an update on my foot. When I go like this, you can see that there are actually a bunch of different bites. So I don't know if I had like something in my shoe that continuously bit me while I was walking to work or what, but I put the Benadryl stuff on it and it is still super duper itchy and swollen and red still. So I am just going to go ahead and have lunch out back and I am just having a salami and provolone Italian with no onions that I picked up from a sub shop. I have my People magazine so I can work on the crossword, and I also have a book that I've mentioned here before. It's called Looking for Alaska. I've read it before, but I read it really fast, so I want to read it again because it's such a good book. So this is going to be my final update on my foot and the bites, and from what I feel, there are 2 bites. There's one right here and one right here. They look a lot better. They're still really red, and it's like a weird line, and I'm still really confused as to like what happened because I didn't take my shoes off until I got in the house, so I'm still confused. So it is much later now, and I went and I picked up some Band-Aids for my blisters. And I just have to show you guys because, you know, the packaging says 10, and I had a bunch of stuff with me. So, like, I didn't notice that it felt really light. And I got home, and I opened it up. There's a single Band-Aid, and that's it. No more. One single Band-Aid. And what really sucks is that I have 2 blisters. So I'm not even mad that it's missing 9/10 of the box. I'm mad that there aren't 2. So I guess I'm just gonna use this one for the worst one. And thankfully I also got some gauze pads and some of this like wrappy stuff. And so for the one that's less worse, I'm just gonna put a gauze pad and this on it. It is now 11:15. I am in my pajamas. They're from Adore Me. No surprise there. This is just what the set looks like. Here's a better look at the pajama set. They are just a really light heather gray and then a really deep purple. And these are the pants. I really like them even though it is summer and really hot. These are thin enough to wear during the summer. And then it just has a matching tank top. I really hope you guys like this day in the life. If you guys want me to do more, just let me know. Again, I know this is a flattering angle. And yeah, I'm not sure how long this video ended up being, but I actually think I did a pretty good job vlogging. So if you think I did a good job vlogging, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. And I will see you guys next time. Bye guys!